It's 6:30 a.m. late August 2025. I'm at the Port Erie International Rail Bridge for sunrise because I wanted to get this. Now the sun is on the horizon. And we're not 100% sure whether or not the sun's even going to make an appearance because there's clouds there. But there are 2 days a year where the sun is in a perfect alignment for what I need, and only 2 days a year. Yesterday was one of them, and the conditions were beautiful, but better today, I think, and hope. Give myself a little room here. I'm back with the drone because I wanted to get a very specific shot which can only be done at sunrise on these 2 days of the year. I'm going to say 2 days, maybe 3. Now, whether or not the clouds cooperate is another matter because they are not where I want them, need them to be. The sun's there, but the clouds are covering it, so we'll see what happens. Either way. Stop that. I've got 2 minutes before sunrise. I can see the glow in the sky, I cannot see the sun. I'm going to go up. The shot I want is not going to be possible because the sun's been covered, so I will improvise something else. Because you always have a plan B. That is a shame. I got some great footage yesterday, but I'd like to get more today. Let's see what we can do. Some stills. Do it. This is something which would be very, very stupid to do under normal circumstances. These are not normal circumstances. This bridge is closed for renovation. Which means there is no traffic coming either way. I would hear it if there were, but it would still be a very bad idea to fly a drone at an international border in front of a freight track. Skip that under normal circumstances. However, the bridge is closed and the alignment is just right This is absolutely perfect. And it can only happen one day per year. I got it. When it's your clip, few short clips actually, I'm making a few different ones and taking stills. So I will not have these opportunities again. And that's it. The sun has risen, although I can't see it. I'm at 86%. Plenty of satellites, plenty of signal, no interference from the bridge or any electronics that are there, although it wouldn't surprise me if I was on camera. It being an international road bridge and people could cross that on foot if they wanted to, so I'm sure it's monitored. No police have arrived, which tells me I'm not breaking the law, which I already knew, but that's confirmation. Anyway. We will call that a day. Bring her home. And if we've got the footage that I think I've got, that might just be for a swimming pool. Beautiful. Now I can enjoy the rest of this sunrise. Stop recording.